go. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh!
Sipping on my lean and I'm
What's up, gang? We back in this thing. As always, you know what we doing. We out here on the lunch break. We about to get it done. Got the boy Brody. He's over there getting lined up. We out here in a familiar spot, one that we haven't been to in a while. This water has cleared up tremendously since the last time that we were here. They actually did some dredging, and they got this thing nice and clean over here. Cleared out all that mud, some grass in here, some good structure, some rocks, some hard bottom in some places, but there's some good bass up in this thing. And yeah, man, we brought the usual suspects, but got some new stuff tied on today. We had a crazy day yesterday throwing the spinnerbait. I got my first bass on the spinnerbait, so I'm pretty pumped about that. So we're gonna be throwing that thing today. Got a little top water. I know it's hot out here midday. Probably not gonna get too much done with that, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. Got a top water spook as well and a swim bait. So yeah, man, enough with the talking. Let's get this thing switched over to the GoPro. Let's roll right into this thing. All right, guys. Yesterday we had some issues with the recording. Stuff wasn't doing what it was supposed to, but you see what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna kick things off with that good old-fashioned KVD sexy shad spinnerbait. Got the big willow blades on there. This thing is gonna put off some serious thump in the water. Mostly flare. And I'm throwing it on 20 pounds. Oh, right off the rip, bro. Holy crap, first cast. Little guy. Nothing major. Nothing major. But we'll take it. Bruh. First freaking cast, and this dude, it's okay, this dude thumps it, man. I'll just use the GoPro audio. Dude thumps that thing as soon as it hit the water. I don't know what he was looking for, what he was thinking, but man, we'll take it. Come on back out there with your friends, player. Bruh, you talk about Excel. Oh my God. Man, that's legit right there, man. So yeah, let's get some, as my boy Real 817 Fishing would say, let's get some mo. You serious? It might have been bro, it might have been the same one. Dude, that's crazy, bro. I watched him hit it too. Like, I just saw the flick of his, yes. As soon as it hit the water. Boom, another one. Ooh, it's one right there, bro. It's one right there. Oh my God. Dude. Uh-oh. Chill, bro. Damn. We got another one, man. Dinkaroo on the freaking, oh, that's so nuts, man. That's so wild. Oh, looks like we're getting it done today, guys. That's awesome right there, man. Another small one. We know there's big ones in here though, so that ain't the one we came to get, because we know there's big boys in here and we're gonna find them today. But man, it looks like they're hungry, and it looks like the spinnerbait is what they want to eat. So let's get some more. Oh my God, dude, my hands are freaking shaking. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. That's a better fish. Much better fish. Oh, that's a better fish, bro. That's a better fish. Oh my God, dude. Oh man, bruh. It's 3, man. 3 for 3 on the freaking spinnerbait, baby. KVD, Sexy Shad. They're tagging it up, man. Getting it done today. Let's get this release on film. Solid, bro. Solid. So we're gonna get it today.
Forecast 3 fish.
Bro, that's insane. So crazy right now, bro. Like, I'm legit tripping right now. Like, I don't know, maybe because you know that cold front came in last night.
Yeah, that's what they're getting.
And yeah, bro, so I really feel like maybe that's had an effect on him, dude, because, bro, it's got him riled up right now, man. That right there, that spinnerbait is getting it done, man. And you see, I'm not rolling a trailer hook or anything on that. No trailer, just the straight out the pack. And these boys are tagging it up. Got one. It's a little guy. It's a little guy. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna cast back over there again. Probably grab another one. Nah, it's straight. Another one on the KVD. Getting it done today, baby. There we go. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh my God. Dude, is that a catfish? It is a freaking catfish. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Holy crap. This is literally the biggest catfish I've ever caught in my entire... Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, gang. We gonna call it a day. We got, what was it, four nice fish on the spinnerbait. So we can't complain. I'll probably piece in that video from yesterday with my first actual spinnerbait catch that I got yesterday. It's not gonna have any audio, so we'll just play a little tunes over that. But yeah, I'll probably piece it in with this video just so you guys can see how big that monster was that we got up out of that thing yesterday. So yeah, man, we're gonna call it quits. I got a meeting today and I gotta get back to work. So as always, ants crawling over my arm. If you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, man, check back in with your boy, that bass fishing dude, on the next video. Peace!